Emily.
I'm Marie.
I'm Amelia.
I'm Melissa.
I'm Julia.
Happy Woolly Wednesday!
This week we are all about felted fall decor.
Yeah, we really want to know. Today we're going to be looking at a lot of really fun things that y'all have created and some projects that we have. And we really want to know how you like to decorate for fall. So let us know in the comments. But y'all want to ask y'all too. So like, how do you like to decorate for fall? I mean, is it your porch? Is it your mantle? Is it the whole house? What do you do?
We're a countertop family. Like, we like glass pumpkins that have like, you can put a candle in them. Like
Okay.
We really like that. And then like little spooky houses, like, you know, those scenes.
Oh.
For there's some for Christmas, so we have those, but we also have them for Halloween. And it's just kind of like, every time you go in there, you're like, it's fall. You can't help it. So I really like that part of decorating. So, yeah.
I'm with you. I love just all of the little things. I love all my tea light candles.
Yeah.
I have like a remote and I'm gonna go turn them all on, you know, so it just, you don't need any overhead light in the fall.
So fun.
Yes.
What about y'all?
I'm like, I don't decorate,
Yeah.
but I bring out all my blankets and hope for colder weather. And I'm like, it's gonna be cozy, or it's gonna happen, and then it's 90 still, but you know.
Yeah.
I like a good pumpkin carving.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
I like it.
Well, you already know I'm a pumpkin head. I use like a fall wreath. I do, and I would be happy to change out the pillows, but you know, I don't know. You know, the dog blankets are forever. But I do. You know, I do like to have a few fall touches, and we have some fun things for y'all to look at today. But let us know how you like to decorate for fall.
Yeah.
And let's keep this fall spirit going. Let's kick it over to our very funny fairy in the field, Fairy Kayla.
Yeah! Happy fall, y'all, and happy Woolly Wednesday. Man, the sun is still bringing that summer heat, but we're hoping this fun fall show will bring some of those cozy autumn vibes your way. And before we get started today, I just know y'all want to hear some funniness. So, what did autumn say to summer?
What did autumn say to summer?
I'll follow you anywhere. Thanks so much, everyone. Have fun, and I'll see you again next week.
Well, I think it's time to announce a winner. And y'all know that you got to comment down below and also in the live chat because we pick 2 winners per episode. So make sure you're leaving those comments. Send some love and support. And we have this week's winner.
Woo!
Drum roll.
All right.
Pumpkin roll.
Pumpkin roll. This is Vivian Mortier. She says, love your Woolly Wednesdays. So many ideas, tips. There won't be enough time in my days to try it all out. I am always looking forward to all the new things you show us. By the way, you all looked great dressed up for Christmas.
Oh, thank you. This is our Christmas in July.
Yeah. Merry Christmas, happy fall.
Merry Christmas, happy fall.
Merry Christmas, happy fall, right now.
In that order.
Right? Well, we love looking at your comments, and we also love looking at what you make. So let's look at our So Inspired this week.
Yeah.
Yay.
This week's So Inspired, of course, is fall decor. Are y'all ready?
Oh my gosh, Emery. That's beautiful. Is that crisp autumn day? Right?
Yeah.
That's gorgeous.
The clouds are great.
Yeah, I love the outlines on the dark outlines, so folksy, don't you think?
It is,
yeah.
Sandra, what a fun way to decorate your little cookie trays.
That's so cute. There's like so much to look at too.
I know.
Like,
It's so festive.
yeah.
I like
Yeah.
those top mushrooms too. Those are so cute.
It's like our little fantasy owls as well, and our fairy tale pumpkins.
So
It's like
cute.
a display.
It
of
is
all
like a
of them.
display.
I like that one big mushroom in there. I don't know if it's felted, but it looks felted.
Yeah, it does.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a fun tray. I would just sit there and hang out with it for a while. Wow.
That's gorgeous. Is that sliver?
It
on
looks
yours?
like sari.
does.
It looks like that crazy sari. Yeah,
Supernova.
mixture.
That's so cool. And little bells, it looks like,
Yeah.
around the rim.
I really love
And
that
locks.
furry rim too. That's
Yeah.
just super unique.
Locks. Mm-hmm.
Super fun.
Oh my gosh.
Little ginger gnomes are so cute.
2 different takes.
I love the handlebar
I
nest
know.
stuff.
Very good.
So cute.
I even
So
like how
good.
big she made the oak leaf. Like, very cute, Donna.
Little
So-
acorns in the hat.
So fun.
Wow.
What a great basket.
Yeah.
I
Very
love the
fun.
handle so
Mhm.
much. That's so cool.
Yeah. I've done that rolled handle before. It's really a fun challenge, you know. You gotta cut your felt to get there, but cool. That basket looks so sturdy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Also, like that drawing of Jamie's with the felt. At least that's how it looks to me. It looks like a really detailed drawing, especially with all those textures she let live, like the locks and the flowers.
Yeah, I'm really into that. I love that a lot.
Oh.
How fun. There's a great little pillows of pumpkin talk. They're so cute. They did so good.
Yeah.
Let's keep your fall version, and then in the spring, he's
I
got
know.
little flowers.
That basket's very clever. How it's only some parts of it.
Yeah, I like the way she did that.
Yeah. And I love this one by Devin. I remember
love
it.
the truck.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I like the blends also in Hello.
Right, and in the leaf too, how that
Yeah.
variegation. Yeah,
That
very well
almost
done.
looks like it's just printed on there. It's so like it's so clean.
Yeah.
The text.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so that's Anna, y'all, who did the sunset in the school.
Yeah.
Like that pumpkin looks painted.
It does.
does.
I
Right?
would say
Wow.
That's
it's just like glowing with the colors.
Yeah,
So
it's
fun.
like in your face pumpkin. I love it.
I love how Brenda's gnome is just kicking it.
Yeah.
Pumpkin.
Chillin' cold.
Having a
chillin'.
nice
His
Good
counterpart is like very intimidating on Give Him to Pumpkin to
Yeah.
talk about it, and then he's like, I'll let him deal with it.
Maybe he's listening. It's so cute.
I love
Very
that.
sweet.
Whoa.
Another moon that is something else. Remember when it was the carrot?
Oh right.
Is that the
Yeah.
same-
Carrot in the-
Awesome.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's the same person.
Oh, Leanne Fleckman. I don't remember that name, but very cool.
I love those vibrant locks. It's amazing.
Mm-hmm. And that little sort of pumpkin connector, something about it. It's very cool.
Wow. And a hollowed out jack-o'-lantern vessel?
Yeah, it looks wet felted.
That's amazing.
Yeah, well done, huh?
Really
Yeah,
nice.
especially that large to keep it that sturdy.
Yeah, with
Hollow.
the holes.
Mm-hmm.
I can't ignore his little friends next to him on the right. Look at her. She's too cute.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hello.
I like that. Barn's bright
Mhm.
colors behind it.
It's our rustic barn, yeah.
Yeah. Like the trees look very watercolory,
They
do.
very muted. Mm-hmm.
I like how they chose to make the barn a lot bigger.
Right.
Kind of zoomed in.
Yeah, a slightly different angle, different roof line. Yeah, very cool.
Wow, Kimberly just really knocked that out of the park.
Yeah,
That's just amazing.
yeah. It takes so much focus to get into all those little bits. Mm-hmm.
Especially the stones.
Yeah.
Great.
So those who don't know, that's Autumn Creek. That's a class in the school by Helen Russell. So you can try it. Give it a go. These are great, y'all. Really getting us in the spirit of fall.
That was a good
These are so
slideshow.
amazing.
I love the
so
basket.
much.
That was my favorite.
The basket, that was really
Yeah.
nice. I enjoyed that.
Yeah, I would love to make one of those, honestly,
Right?
and
Yeah.
put all my felting supplies in it.
Oh,
But
I'd love to see it.
Yeah, that would be cool. But also the Anna Repke pumpkin that was
That,
like a painting.
yes,
Yeah.
I vote
That
for
was
that.
amazing.
Besides everything,
Yeah.
it's such a
honestly.
fun variety.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
always love looking at you guys' work, so leave some love down below in the live chat. Show these artists some love, and we just love seeing what you guys share with us, and so we like to share back with you, and we have a winner here. Cinnamon Feathers 2.
Appropriate.
They said, "This is the first time I've had a chance to watch your Woolly Wednesdays. Fun. I love the enthusiasm everyone shows and all the lovely compliments you pay to the artists you highlight.
Oh.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Looking forward to getting back into my Living Felt tutorials and seeing all the new ideas you'll be sharing. Christmas is only a blink away."
A blink.
That's
Oh,
true.
So nice. Well, congratulations on winning.
Yes.
I just want to say really quick, if you win a prize on the show, reach out to us on the contact us page. And if you're wondering how we pick these winners, as the gals have been saying, it's from the comments after the video. And how do you get your stuff on the show? You share it online. Whether you share it on Instagram and you tag us, or our Facebook group, which is Living Felt Friends, that's where we're going to see your work, and that's where we're going to pull from. So tip for you.
We've got some more fun things to share with you now.
This is Give 'em Pumpkin to Talk About. This is a super fun project with the cutest little gnome and his pumpkin friends. This is a free tutorial that will teach you how to transfer this fun pattern onto your fabric, as well as how to create an envelope pillowcase, which is really helpful for this fall cutesy little guy. For this guy, you can get the complete kit, or you can grab the digital download pattern so that you can put this onto whatever surface you're looking for. This kit comes with all of the wool you'll need, as well as some linen fabric. Now you can select between 2 different sizes of linen, whether you're trying to make a pillowcase, maybe 1 or 2, you might want a bigger size, or even a table runner. You could really put this pattern onto anything. It's super fun, great for beginners, and our advanced felters will like it just as much. So have fun.
Hey guys, I'm working on Autumn is Calling, which is one of our mixed studio packs here at Living Felt. It's going to come with both Maori and Bergschaft batting and 6 beautiful colors, totaling 3 ounces of wool. We like these packs for needle felting or stiff wet felting. These bats lay out really nice, and they are made up of a medium to semi-coarse fiber. This colorway is meant to show autumn and all the beautiful colors that are coming to greet us this season. So you should pick one up. This is Autumn is Calling. Hey y'all, it's fall.
It's fall.
And we have some exciting things to talk to you about. We have lots of tutorials coming up for fall, both 2D and 3D. But in the meantime, we would like you guys to check out our newsletter. And if you're not signed up, please sign up, because that's where we show you all of our deals, everything that's going on this week.
Yep, and also check out the link down below that'll have everything for you. And then we also have a sale in our school, so check that out. It's be 45%.
45? 45% off.
You know, one of the things we really love about the holidays is that we get to decorate.
Yes,
right?
So much fun.
With fall, I know we all just get so excited, and there's so many fun things to make. Yes. So today, Emily and I wanted to talk to you about caring for your fall home decor and creations.
Yeah, definitely. It's really fun to bring out your goodies, but once they've been in storage, they might need a little bit sprucing up when it's time to display them.
That's right. So we'll talk to you about storing your stuff away, but when we pull it out and put it on display, we really want it looking our best. So we brought a few things with us today that we've already shared a bit, and that's we have some fun fall pillow projects and these
linens.
We call these our pumpkin spice linens. So this was from a tutorial we did a few years ago. And what's fun about those linens is they can be washed and dried. So we show you how to needle felt these linens, and also the fact that you can wash them dry, that makes them really functional.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, you could use these, we were talking about when you're on your candy, underneath your candy bowl, or maybe
They'd be
dishes.
Or a great gift if you're going to somebody else's house for the holidays.
Absolutely. Any of these things would make great hostess gifts. So here's the deal. When you pull your stuff out of storage, you want to give them a really good steam press.
Yes.
So with these table linens, what we did, and there is a tutorial for this, we will link to it. And I think also Kayla's put all the supplies on the shop page for today's episode. These linens, we show you how to needle felt this pumpkin pattern onto linen that you've pre-washed. So you want to wash your linen and iron it, and then needle felt your design onto it super flat, like really flat. So
definitely.
And then we show you how to fringe the edges.
Yes.
Isn't that a fun part?
That's my favorite part about this tutorial.
Yeah, so we'll show you how to stitch it, and then how to fringe the edges, and then you wash and dry them again. And you just want to, then after you wash and dry them, is give them a really good press.
Yes, then they'll be perfect for your displays for the fall.
We use a really hot iron. We spray water right onto them, and Emily and I were talking about how easily linen creases.
Just like that. One moment it's folded, and the next it's all creased and time for a good press.
That's right. So it creases fast, but it also irons really fast too. So just use your wow mat for the ironing, and use your hot setting and some nice water for that.
It's a great use for your wall mat.
Right. And the same thing for the pillows. Now, we have pillow projects where we have done a pillow back, and those are super easy to iron because you just iron them without the pillow in. But I've also made pillows where I didn't have enough of that backing fabric that I wanted because I'm a big upcycler. So that one pillow, the Thankful pillow, was from a flannel shirt that I decided to surrender. But I didn't, you have to iron it in the pillow, and you can. So if you needle felt well and make everything nice and flat, you can just press right over
on
it.
top.
Great. So then, now, you've got them all out. They look beautiful all season. And then what?
Then it's time to store them and put them away, which is very important when it comes to your handmade felted pieces.
Right.
Really any craft you make, but especially your wool felted pieces.
Right.
So what you're going to want to do is make sure that you fold them up nicely and seal them up in a clear bag. So
we use clear bags. Yeah, and we store all of our felted items are stored away into airtight plastic bags.
Yes, we like the clear ones because it makes it easy to see what's inside. You don't have to rummage through forever.
Right, and then we put them in our airtight tubs.
Yes.
We all know that those tubs really aren't airtight.
Correct.
I find anything that I just store straight into an airtight tub smells musty,
Right.
but we don't have that impact
don't.
when we use the bags.
It's really nice, and just as long as your bags don't have any holes or anything like that, they'll be perfect. So if your linen comes in a bag, save that bag. Or, you know, any bags when we give you guys wool, when you order from us, you get the bags, save them. You know, they'll be great for storing your projects in later.
Yeah, so store all of your felted projects into airtight bags and then in your bins. Don't store them in cardboard boxes or just shove them in the pantry.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. We hope y'all have fun decorating for fall this season. Press your stuff. We can't wait to see what you make. It's so fun hanging out with you guys this week, and fall.
Fall.
That's the point.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Gorgeous work today.
Yeah.
Good job.
Gorgeous.
Yes. We just know we're going to have so much fun this season with all the fun fall things.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's pumpkin to talk about.
Yes, do. Share what you make. Share it in the group. Make sure to tag us if you share it elsewhere on your socials because we want to see it.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
Yep. We're here to help you guys get your fall on, and we're excited to get cold and
See you soon.
Okay, we're going to see y'all real soon. If you want more felting, check out this next video right here.